Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out. To all my returning subscribers, I'm not sure if you're getting my videos in your subscription feed or not, but make sure you do click the bell, that way you're always notified because I do upload a lot and I do want the videos to reach you. So today's video is going to be all about something called scripting, and in Law of Attraction, scripting is something that helps you achieve what you want a lot faster. It brings in what you want in high detail of exactly how you want it. So I have here 3 of my journals. I like to use journals that make me happy, that I really like the covers. I love cats. If you guys didn't already know, I'm obsessed with cats. So I have it's like a Lisa Frank. This is a Lisa Frank journal. All these I got from Walmart. They're like $1, $2 each. And then I have a kitty cat one right here. And then I have an all black glittery one. So I like to have a few of them just because I write so much. And what is scripting? Scripting is basically you're writing out something that you want to happen in your life, something that you want to bring into your life, that you want to attract, that you want to draw into your life. It could be anything. It could be a iced coffee. It could be a trip. It could be a person. It could be a job. So how does scripting work? Basically, with the law of attraction, what you're doing is you're telling the universe in detail of what you want, like exact details. I'm talking about you script what you're wearing, how you're feeling. A big reason that scripting works is that while you're writing these, you start to feel these emotions. And the act of writing itself is magical. What you're doing is whatever is in your mind, you're actually processing it and bringing it out through your fingers and kind of making it into something physical, something that you can hold, something tangible in writing form. So it's a very magical thing to just write down something that you want. So when I am scripting, what I like to do is write the date just so I know when I wrote this down, and then when it does happen, because trust me, it happens. Then you can go back and see how fast it happened, how many days it took, months, whatever. Usually when you do scripting, it happens super fast. In my experience, it happens within days or weeks. So say if you're scripting, you want a trip. So you want to go to Mexico. You want to fly out to Mexico and you want an all-inclusive trip, and you want to go during the summertime. You have to write everything in complete detail, from how you're going to feel when you are packing, what you're going to pack, what you're going to wear to the airport, what luggage are you going to use, what are you going to take in your carry-on. Kind of like organize every little thing that you have to do to get ready for the trip. Write it all down. How you're going to do your hair, what you're going to eat over there, what you want to eat over there, what you want to experience. Do you want to go scuba diving, snorkeling? What are you going to wear when you go scuba diving and snorkeling? Write it all down. It's kind of like visualization, where you're painting a picture in your mind, and when you do that, that's very powerful in attracting what you want to you even faster. Now you can script as much as you want to. You can script every single day. Now, there are people that believe you shouldn't script one thing more than once. There are some people that believe you can do it over and over again. I believe just do what your heart tells you to do. And then you have to let it go. Don't dwell on it. Don't wait for it. You don't want to mess with the energy. Just let the energy kind of flow in its own way. It will come to you. And write it down, script it out, and then just go get busy with something else. Do something else. Change your focus on something else, or script something else. You want to write it down in complete detail, and then you want to let it go. Now, the great thing about scripting is that the more you do it, when you go back and look at it a few months later, you will be blown away at how many of the details come true, like word for word. And it's really amazing to see how you can actually direct the energy of your life, and you can attract things to you just by focusing on it. There's actually a quote that I read that said, when you focus on a particle, that particle grows. So when you focus on something, you're feeding it energy and you're kind of drawing it more into your life. Now, the universe doesn't understand if you're focusing on something negative or focusing on something positive. It's going to give you whatever you're focusing on. So better to focus on something that you want, whatever makes you happy. There's a lot of success stories on scripting with the jobs. If you're getting ready to go on an interview, you want to script out the entire interview, what you're going to wear, how you're going to feel when you go to the interview. Make sure you write positive emotions. You're feeling excited to go on the interview. Write the outcome, what you want to happen, how you want the interview to go, what you want the energy in the interview to be like. You want to write down that I'm so happy and I'm so excited that I got the call back and they offered me the job. I was so excited that I said yes right away, that I'm so ready to start. Like however you would talk, however you would react to accepting a job offer, you want to write that down. The same thing with attracting a person into your life. You want to script out what you're going to wear when you meet them, what you're going to wear when they see you, what you're going to wear when you see them, how the conversation is going to go, just everything in complete detail, and then you close the book and let it go. Change your focus to something else. You can even attract a bottle of a wine. Make sure that you write the bottle of wine that you want, what it's going to feel like to drink it, what glass you're going to pour it in, and are you going to drink it, why are you going to drink it, are you going to drink it to celebrate something, are you going to drink it just because? Write out every little detail. What are you going to wear when you drink this bottle of wine? You want to write down every little detail, and you want to script it out, and you will notice word for word how it starts to come true. So I just wanted to make a quick little video on scripting using the law of attraction on my channel. I do have a series of law of attraction videos on my channel, which I will leave linked down below. I also do a lot of videos on my channel where I talk about herbs and oils. I believe in the power of herbs and oils on our bodies, both medicinally and magically, for beauty uses and for our health, and also for our mind and our spirit. So I have a bunch of those videos, like rose oil benefits, aloe vera benefits, lavender oil, like just you name it, and there's a bunch on my channel. So go ahead and feel free to browse on my channel. Whatever resonates with you, whatever pops out at you, go ahead and watch and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.